Okay, I'm going to add a longer video to my Instagram and it's going to sit in my Reels tab like this. So the video I'm talking about is this one. It's 4 minutes 41 seconds long. So I'm going to just grab it. So what you have to do is you have to press the plus button, and instead of doing a reel, you've got to do a post. And then I'm going to get that video for 41, and then I'm going to go.
So tonight I want to show you how to make an overnight oats. So my name's Anita, and
see, it's going to say trim, but we're not going to do anything to it. We're just going to go next. Okay, so then add your caption. I've already prepared mine. And then if you want to, you can tag, add location, add an AI label if you need to, add your audience, all the things that we would normally do. Then if you want to edit your cover, just click edit cover, and you can choose from the thumbnail when it loads, or you can upload your own. So I'm going to just add one from my camera roll. And then I'm going to just add in here an overnight oats, like so. I'm going to just colour it the same colour as my strawberries. And then I'm just going to pop that just in the centre and click done. And then I'm going to make sure that my profile is in there, click done. And then all you've got to do is click share. Ignore that, we're not worried about that. Share it and let it upload. Okay, so you can see that it's posting now to my account, and there it is. So when I go to my profile, you can see that it's there in my profile grid, and when I click on my reels, it's there on my reels, and it's the full video all the way through to the 4 minutes 36.
Overnight oats to have in
Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
So tonight I want to show you how to make an
Drop them in the
overnight
comments
oats.
below.
So my name's
Thanks for
Anita,
watching.
and I'm a second